Hello, my name is Andre. I am the head of the hydraulic breakers product line. And today, we're going to show you a new product in the world of hydraulic breaker manufacturing from the Russian factory Technopark Impulse. The Impulse Evolution 1500 hydraulic breaker. We're not just going to show it to you. We'll also show a direct comparison of its performance with a Korean hydraulic breaker. The main advantage of the hydraulic ripper, compared to a regular hydraulic breaker, is that we finally removed the biggest restriction. We now allow it to be used for prying and at an angle. In other words, now you can not only break material perpendicular to the surface being demolished, but also pry, loosen, and break at an angle, anything you want, which we previously prohibited. In addition, another advantage is the shape of the tool itself. The wedge-shaped form with a trapezoidal cross-section prevents the tool from getting stuck when driven into the material, whereas a chisel with a constant cross-section, when driven into material, especially something like reinforced concrete, where the rebar holds the material together as it breaks apart, tends to get stuck easily. After that, it's quite difficult to remove, and usually, to get it out, people resort to wiggling it, which is against the operating rules and often leads to the chisel breaking. The wedge-shaped design also makes this tool self-sharpening. Its sharp tip stays sharp throughout its entire service life. In addition, we always keep our customers' convenience in mind when it comes to replacing parts and consumables. The design of the Impulse 1500 allows for consumables to be replaced right in the field, without any special tools. With a regular hammer, the bushing is pressed in with a press and also pressed out with it. To remove the bushing itself, you have to disconnect the bearing from the cylinder or completely disassemble the impact block. When you take it out of the hydraulic hammer housing, in the Hydro Ripper, instead of a bushing, there are 4 high-strength steel wedges that can be removed by hand and with a hammer. We take a punch, knock it out, remove the locking pin, take out the tool itself, and then easily take out all 4 wedges by hand. Replacement in the field takes just 5 minutes. Another advantage of these wedges is that you don't have to replace them at the slightest sign of wear. As the wedges wear down, special stainless steel shims are placed under them, and the wedges themselves are only replaced when they're completely worn down to literally 1 or 2 millimeters. This way, the consumables last longer, and the cost of owning the hammer goes down. At the same time, don't forget that thanks to the ability to pry and the wedge-shaped design of the tool, work productivity increases significantly. That's all for now. If you still have questions, you can always reach out to the specialists at the Traditions group of companies, who will be happy to help you choose the right attachments. Thank you for watching, subscribe to our channel, and give us a like. See you all next time.